So here's some footage from our recent trip to Heartless Pass, Uncle Tom's cabin, and Loon Lake with the Rubicon trailhead. And at the end of the video is a little recovery of my Jeep where a guy ran me off the road on the way home and we had to winch my Jeep back down. So please enjoy.
It's pretty deep.
So I'll make a longer video with more footage from my GoPro, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what the snowstorm was like. This storm hit on the 6th of January. It dumped about 4 feet of snow. This is kind of right in the middle of the storm. It got worse later in the afternoon. We're headed up Heartless Pass.
We're sitting up on top of the first dam at Loon Lake, and it's pretty nasty out here. We're waiting on one of our group. He doesn't have very much clearance. He's basically like a snowplow right now. They're gonna pull him out, and he's gonna go in the back of the group. It's a good day. Top of the first dam at Loon Lake. It's only about 2 feet. Not even keeping the windshield clear anymore. Jerk just came down the road and ran me off, so I'm getting pulled out on the side hill pretty good.